Alright, I'm gonna leave here. I think I have enough from both ends of the ride. GoPro was less annoying today. Only cut off a few times, but each time it did, at least did the restart, so I knew it happened. I don't think it did it otherwise. Don't recall it. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. Check out my gaming channel. It'll be tagged in the description and at the end of the video, but it's D Stark together, as if it was one word, then a space, games, GAMES. Also check out my Twitch, also link below. Believe it's D Stark 1904. It may or may not have a underscore at the end. It'll be linked below. I forget. Need to get on there too, now that I know how. Alright, see you later. Bye.